Welcome to SuiteTrails, where we take you on an extraordinary journey through the breathtaking landscapes of Helsinki. Join us as we explore the epitome of Scandinavian luxury, immersing ourselves in the world of unparalleled elite hotels across the city. Remember that you have the links to all the accommodations in the description. Number 1. Set in Helsinki, 1.9 kilometers from Unisaaren Beach, Scandic Helsinki Hub offers accommodation with free bikes, private parking, a fitness center and a shared lounge. Boasting room service, this property also welcomes guests with a restaurant, a casino and a terrace. The property is less than 1 kilometer from the city center and 2.1 kilometers from Haidaranta Beach. Speaking English and Finnish at the reception, staff will be happy to provide guests with practical information on the area. Popular points of interest near the hotel include Kämp Shopping Center, Helsinki Bus Station and Helsinki Music Center. Number 2. Unity Helsinki offers a sauna and a fitness room, as well as air-conditioned accommodation in Helsinki, 2.5 kilometers from Haidaranta Beach. With free Wi-Fi, this 4-star apart hotel offers a 24-hour front desk and a lift. The apart hotel also offers facilities for disabled guests. All units include a seating area, a flat-screen TV, a fully equipped kitchenette, a dining area, and a private bathroom, while some feature a terrace or a balcony. A dishwasher, a microwave and fridge are also featured, as well as a kettle. At the apart hotel, each unit comes with bed linen and towels. Continental and vegetarian breakfast options with fresh pastries, juice and cheese are available every morning at the apart hotel. There is a snack bar and bar. Popular points of interest near Unity Helsinki include Kämp Shopping Center, Helsinki Bus Station and Ruoholahti Metro Station. Number 3. Lapland Hotels Boulevardi in Helsinki has a bar and on-site dining. The property is located on the boulevard and close to several noted attractions, around a 7-minute walk from Kämp Shopping Center and around 600 meters from Helsinki Bus Terminal. Helsinki Music Center is 1.1 kilometers away. At the Urban Hotel, every room includes a desk and a flat-screen TV. Rooms are fitted with a private bathroom with a design bath or shower. Some rooms also come with a sauna. Certain rooms are fitted with a terrace and others also provide guests with city views. A Lappish-style buffet breakfast is available each morning at Restaurant Kulta. The Restaurant Kulta also offers modern Lappish cuisine à la carte. Staff at the reception can assist guests at any time of the day. Helsinki Cathedral is 1.2 kilometers from the accommodation. The nearest airport is Helsinki Vantaa Airport, 17 kilometers from the property. Number 4. This unique boutique hotel is located just next to Esplanade Shopping Street and offers air-conditioned rooms with free Wi-Fi. Aleksanternkatu Shopping Street is just a 5-minute walk away from Hotel F6. A flat-screen TV, minibar, electric kettle and wooden floors are standard in all rooms at Hotel F6. The bathrooms come with a hairdryer and toiletries. Bathrobes and slippers are included for extra comfort. Hotel F6 serves a Finnish home-style breakfast daily. Guests can enjoy drinks in the bar. There is a 24-hour front desk as well as laundry service. Free use of bicycles is available for guests wishing to explore Helsinki on wheels. The market square is a 4-minute walk away, while the Uspensky Cathedral is 1 kilometer away. Kämp Shopping Center is 1 kilometer from the property. The nearest airport is Helsinki Vantaa Airport, a 30-minute drive away. Number 5. Located 1.5 kilometers from Torsniemen Koirapuisto Beach, Noli Hertaniemi offers 4-star accommodation in Helsinki and features free bikes, a fitness center and a shared lounge. The property is situated 1.5 kilometers from Tuoriniemi Beach, 2.2 kilometers from Kivinikan Beach and 6.9 kilometers from Helsinki Cathedral. The hotel has a sauna, a shared kitchen and free Wi-Fi throughout the property. All units are equipped with a fridge, dishwasher, a coffee machine, a bidet, a hairdryer and a desk. Rooms are complete with a private bathroom equipped with a shower, while certain rooms at the hotel also provide guests with a seating area. At Noli Hertaniemi, every room is equipped with bed linen and towels. You can play billiards at the accommodation, Helsinki Central Station is 7.1 kilometers from Noli Hertaniemi, while Helsinki Olympic Stadium is 7.3 kilometers away. Number 6. Hotel U14, Autograph Collection features free bikes, fitness center, a terrace and bar in Helsinki. This 4-star hotel offers room service, a 24-hour front desk, and free Wi-Fi. The hotel has a sauna and a concierge service. At the hotel, each room comes with a desk, a flat-screen TV, a private bathroom, bed linen and towels. Guest rooms in Hotel U14, Autograph Collection are equipped with free toiletries and an iPad. The accommodation offers a buffet or continental breakfast. At Hotel U14, Autograph Collection, you will find a restaurant serving American cuisine. Vegetarian, dairy-free and vegan options can also be requested. Guests at the hotel will be able to enjoy activities in and around Helsinki, like cycling. Popular points of interest near Hotel U14, Autograph Collection include Unisaaren Beach, Helsinki Cathedral and Helsinki Central Station. Number 7. 1.9 kilometers from Haitaranta Beach, Kämp Skyline Apartment features a recently renovated 4-star accommodation in the Kämp district of Helsinki. Among the facilities at this property are a lift and full-day security, along with free Wi-Fi throughout the property. The property is soundproof and is situated 2.3 kilometers from Unisaaren Beach. The one-bedroom apartment has a living room with a flat-screen TV with streaming services, a fully equipped kitchen with an oven and a toaster, and one bathroom with a hairdryer. Towels and bed linen are offered in the apartment. This apartment is allergy-free and non-smoking. During the colder months, guests can enjoy winter sports in the surrounding area. Popular points of interest near the apartment include Kämp Shopping Center, Helsinki Bus Station and Helsinki Music Center. The nearest airport is Helsinki-Vantaa Airport, 20 kilometers from Kämp Skyline Apartment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.